Okay. So get started for free. So what do you create? Okay. Just adjust some things it does. Intense filter. Doesn't not really important information. All this one are just for them. Let's just continue. So this is for upload. Say upload a photo, then you're gonna add a voice. So upload a photo. So we have to record our voice. You have to give it permission. Okay, you can upload audio. So let's upload audio. So it's just showing that so many things can come up. Just have to know how you get around it. Okay, we downloaded it. So this is our audio. You have our audio already. So now if you want voice mirroring, some voice modification, you can add it, but I don't want it. So I just add audio. Okay, now generate. We're gonna wait for it to generate. So now we have our video. So let's see. Let's see. Welcome to my channel once again. Today we'll be talking about travel opportunities in different career aspects. You have in medical field, you have in the technical field, you have in the business field, and more. Get ready to dive in. Okay, there we go. You have your video. So what I advise you to do is to make it flow. So because of our stitching, that's why the flow was somehow in that. But make it flow. So this is it. So what do you do next? You download it. So you download.